So if you're just tuning in, this is about the space exploration essay, and this is, again, the argumentative question in PTE, the one that typically asks you, to what extent do you agree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree? We got our structure here of 4 paragraphs. You got your introduction, where you mention your opinion. Body 1, you talk about one point in detail. Body 2, talk about the other point in detail, and your conclusion, where you repeat the opinion, basically paraphrase it, but in different words. So you paraphrase the opinion there. Now, in the start, there are a few things that your first sentence should do. It should make a great first impression. It should talk about the topic generally, and it should have some unique words. A lot of times I see people state the topic and then say, for example, the topic, space exploration, is a hot topic of debate or is an interesting topic. When I see those sentences, they just do one of the 3 things. They just summarize the topic generally, but they don't have any unique vocabulary, and hence they also don't make a great first impression. Now, how you can do this is, you see this template, what we use is the discussion of, and then you place your topic in here, the discussion of, in this case, space exploration. And by the way, if the question says, if it had said space exploration, then I would use different words here. I would have used space expeditions or space ventures, something different from the question. Is surely one that begs the question of exactly. That means it's surely one that makes us think of the question of something. So it makes us question something. And the fancy way of saying that is surely one that begs the question of exactly, and then you ask your question of how its need can be justified. So in this case, that's the question. Let me give you another sample. If it's the discussion of military expenditure, the discussion of military expenditure is surely one that begs the question of exactly, is that the priority over other sectors? So you ask your question there, like, is it necessary? Is it important? Can it be justified? You say then, and this is optional, so you can say some people believe that, and then you talk about what other people believe. This is opposite to your opinion. That sentence is optional. Okay, you can use that though. So you go, some people believe that it should not continue as a practice because of. So it should not continue as a practice because of economic reasons, social reasons, whatever reasons you have there, you put them there. Nonetheless, so you say nonetheless instead of saying but or however, because you want to sound fancier. And then you go with your opinion. In my opinion, it is completely, I like the word completely because it's a li, it's an adverb. The more adverbs you have, the better. It is completely justified since, then you give your reasoning. Okay, whatever reasoning you have, make sure that that reasoning then is expanded in the body paragraphs. Now we're going to look at the body paragraph.